Okay, in this section we're going to look at solving systems of linear equations. The technique we're going to look at is called Gaussian elimination. And for Gaussian elimination, there's three steps, or rather three things you can do. Okay, the first thing is you can switch two equations. Okay, the second thing is you can multiply one equation by a non-zero number. Okay, so the second thing is you can multiply one equation by a non-zero number. Okay, so that's the second thing. Okay, the third thing you can do is you can add a multiple of one equation to a second equation. Oops. Okay, so these three things you can do. That's that set of three things you can do. That's called Gaussian elimination, and you can do any of those in any order and however many times you want to do it. Okay, but don't worry if this doesn't make a lot of sense yet. It'll make a lot more sense by looking at an example. Okay, so let's take a look at an example. Okay, so let's say we have this system of equations. Okay, that's the first equation. Okay, that's the second equation. The two variables are x and y, and we have two equations. Okay, so what we want to do here is try to get rid of that x variable. So let's multiply the first equation by -4. Okay, we multiplied through everywhere in the first equation by -4. We leave the second equation as it is. Okay, so now let's add, oops. Let's add these two equations. Okay, so the -4x and 4x cancel, so they give you 0. 8y plus y is 9y. And then negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4. Okay, so now here, let's solve for y by dividing both sides by 9. So y equals to negative 4 over 9. Okay, so we already found y. We want to find what x is. Let's go back here. Okay, our original set of two equations. Just pick one. Let's pick the first one. Okay, so x minus 2y equals to 1. We already know what y is, negative 4 over 9, so let's plug that in here. Negative 4 over 9. Okay, let's simplify this. That becomes 8 over 9. And subtract 8 over 9 from both sides. So x equals to 1 over 9.